Only a weighing platform which is correctly horizontally aligned supplies accurate weighing results. The weighing platform has to be leveled during the initial installation and whenever its location is changed. This video shows you how to level the platform of the PBA639 and PBD659. First, check if the air bubble is in the inner circle. When you find the air bubble isn't in the inner circle, you have to level the platform. Turn both the adjustable nut and the foot clockwise. Then tighten the lock nut of the adjustable foot counterclockwise. If needed, repeat previous steps to the other feet. Verify that all nuts are locked and every corner firmly touches the ground. Easy to level with fingers. No tools needed. Check if the air bubble is in the inner circle. When the air bubble is in the inner circle, the leveling process is done.